complaining lah that yeah, this SU student very tiring and stuff. Yeah. So he was actually my neighbor's SU student, okay. So when he came to my house, I was like, oh, okay. And then suddenly he felt hot. You know, he said he was hot. So he took off his shirt. I was like, and his back and the muscles were like so toned, and I touched him. So I was like, okay. And then I also felt a bit hot line, like a bit melting, And then he started to like put his arm around me. I was like, And then he started talking stuff, and then he started whispering stuff in my ear, I was like, okay, like, it's very ticklish, but then it was very nice. In his Japanese slang, very cute, And then suddenly he had these great ideas in his head, and then he was telling me what he wanted to do, and I was like, really? And then I was like, and then I told him that my parents not at home and my sister, but they were all out, right? So we went to my parents' room. And then he started jumping. He threw me on the bed, and then he started calling on the bed, and then suddenly he took off my shirt, buttoned my button, and then he was telling me how cute I am.